do you agree that deciding prices of your digital products, of your courses is very crucial part and it plays a vital role in your whole MSI ecosystem? So in this video, we will learn the 5 points. By following that 5 points, you can decide pricing of your products correctly. So stay till last of this video and let's learn how to decide pricing of your digital courses, your online courses. Hi, my name is RC Pegadia, and if you have still not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please subscribe to it. I post contents regarding building multiple streams of income by sharing your knowledge. So the point is to how to price your online courses or how to price online courses, because there is no standard pricing points for courses. You can sell your products for $10, you can sell your products for $10,000, or you can sell it for more price also. The main point you should keep in mind, I will tell you 5 points that will help you in deciding price point for your products. And the number 1 point is thumb rule of pricing. The thumb rule of pricing is pricing should be higher always. It should not be so low that can degrade value of your content, that can degrade value of your course, and it should not be so high in comparison of market research and other points that you should keep in mind. But it should not be so low that you are not able to meet your financial goals, you are not able to run marketing campaigns. So keep pricing on higher side. This is number 1 rule, and if you like this rule, please comment high price. And next rule is deliver high value. What you can do, if you are charging $100 for your product, deliver the value of $1,000. Try to or deliver always. Deliver 10x what you are charging. Try to deliver, or you should deliver 10x of that. So people should not feel that they don't get the value for what they have charged. Or deliver always. And this is the very crucial point. This is very important point. Please don't charge more than your value. Always deliver 10x value. And next point to keep in mind while pricing your online courses is value of outcome. So what value they are going to get after completing your course. Like in my case, if somebody completes my MSI setup challenge, then at the end of that course, he or she will be able to earn $3,000 per month by implementing that system right way. So I can charge more for that type of courses, and decide your pricing point based upon the outcome your students are going to get. That is also a very important point, what outcome they are going to get. If they are not going to get desired outcome, then how you will charge high? So try to understand what outcome they are going to get, and that you should keep in mind while fixing price point of your products. And next point is market trends. What market rates are for your niche, what market rates are for your similar products, and what market rates are other people charging for the same products. You can research that data, and if your product is different from that, and if you are delivering more than that, then you can keep your price on higher side. And in the starting, you should charge less and gradually increase the charges of your products. Be the leader in market trend. And next point to decide your course price is level of your course. Please don't sell your course in one level. I sell my courses in 3 levels. Number 1 is my silver level membership, level 1. My level 2 is my gold level membership, that is total implementation level, and I am charging higher for that type of products. And number 3 is my diamond level membership. In that I am providing them hand holding personally. So what level of your courses is, based upon that you should decide price point of your products. And one more point that you should keep higher price is you will be able to provide discounts, you will be able to provide coupons, and you will be able to enroll affiliates if price point is on higher side, and if you are delivering 10x of your price point value, then nobody is going to stop you from meeting your financial goal and from fulfilling your marketing budget. So how you found this video? Please tell me in the comment box. And thanks for watching this video. And if you know someone who is struggling to decide price point, you can share this video with them to help them and to help me grow my YouTube channel. Thank you.